বলে আগের ছেলেটাই এর।
আমি আমি এরকম করব, ঠিক আছে? আমি
এই
এখানে
বোতামগুলো লাগা।
Camera is on and you guys are talking in Bangla. Meet my brother.
ইমা ক্যামেরা কখনো আমি না
You are talking in.
না
I am just now.
হ্যালো, মাই নেম ইজ
Hello, my beautiful peeps. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Anandita Vlogs Tip. This is me or Anandita. I hope all you are doing good. So, guys, मैं लेके आ चुका हूँ No, I guess by seeing the thumbnail, you all can understand that today for 24 hours I will talk only in English. My English is really very good. It's fantastic. Today I will talk in English, walk in English, dance in English, everything in English. So without delay, let's start with the video. So guys, meet my brother. He will also talk in English. Even his English is very good. Fantastic. Talk in English. Say something. What's
Hello,
your
guys.
name? What's your name?
My name is Himal Pal.
Why so serious? Don't be serious. Everything should be what? Funny. Yes, funny. I said na, he is very good in English. My English is not so good.
It's fine.
It's fine. Ask me something. We will play a game like if I talk in Bengali, he will give me a slap. Not a slap. He is younger than me. He can slap me, but brother sister chalta hai. Brother sister what? What? Everything is fine. Everything is fine in brother sister. Slapping, wapping, it's fine. So guys, we will start with the game now. Let's start.
Okay.
Ask me something in Hindi. I will translate in English.
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
I'm making videos. Such a easy Hindi. Now I shall ask you in Bengali. তুমি কি করছো?
What are you doing? Oh, sorry.
What are you doing?
গুড গোইং।
My mom is giving background music. Don't worry guys, even she will come soon to talk with us in English. Yes mom, she will come definitely. What you are doing? Or what are you doing? তুমি কি করছো?
doing together?
We are making videos for everyone, right? So you said wrong. What? তুমি কি করছো? What you are doing? Oh, it's fine only. Actually, my Bengali and English both are weak. Don't mind, guys.
Banana. That's it.
Sorry, guys, for the interruption. No. So, guys, sorry for the interruption. My brother is very naughty, and my mother is not naughty. Actually, she was giving us banana to eat. That's the thing. I hope you guys didn't mind. Now let's start again the game. You asked me something.
In Hindi or Bengali?
Anything.
Okay. Anything.
Anything.
Let's see. Chipkali.
Lizard. Such a easy thing. I shall ask you.
Okay.
তুমি আজকে স্নান করেছো?
Have you taken a bath?
Good English. Now ask me.
Now I need to do something hard.
What? He's thinking.
तुम्हें पावन देना होगा.
What? What?
तुम्हें मुझे पावन देना होगा.
What is pavan now? You will give me.
A Hindi word. Pawan.
You will give me. Wait, let me think. You will give me.
hard one.
Very hard. You will give me. Oh God. I don't want to get slapped from him. You will give me. Air.
Yeah.
Yes. Power means air. Now I will ask you. Tough one.
Okay.
Guys, I'm really sorry for my mom's interruption. I'm really sorry. Don't mind.
Bananas.
What you have eaten today for lunch?
Oh, should I tell?
Shit. तुम्ही भात की मैंने की खेचो आज के लंच में.
What have you eaten today?
Good one. Now ask me.
English classes. We are doing English classes.
A B C.
Sorry guys. Leave it. She will come soon. I'm giving you a promise. Yes. Thinking.
Please bring me a Hindi book.
It's English.
No, I am asking for a Hindi book.
You want Hindi book? You can tell me in Bengali also.
Okay. I'm very bad.
In Bengali? We both are Bengali, okay? But
Writing.
our mother tongue is Bangla. Bengali. Yes. I don't know, it's taking so much time. Ask me anything.
Okay. তুমি এখন কোথায় যাবে?
Where I will go now. I will ask now. Tough one. তুমি এখন কোন ক্লাসে উঠবে?
What class will you?
Shit. Do you want to slap?
তুমি কোন ক্লাসে যাবে?
হ্যাঁ উঠবে আমি।
Oh, উঠবে. Which class will you go on next?
Okay, fine. Tik tak English. We are not from we are Bengali. Okay, Bengali.
We're not from England.
We're not from England that our English will be so much good. So guys, sorry for that. Now you will ask me.
I'm giving very easy one.
Very easy one.
Oh, I have something very much in mind.
In very much mind.
Yeah, my English. Very good.
Very good. Our English is so good. Now ask.
Okay, the meaning of Shiksha Ghar.
Means school. Shiksha Ghar. Study house. I don't know. Shiksha Ghar.
Hostel.
I don't know. Okay, you can slap me. Slap. He's a very innocent brother. Okay, so I will ask you now. Ashola.
Cockroach.
Easy one. Now ask me.
Okay. Mm-hmm. একটা বাগান যেটা সর্ষে ফুল দিয়ে ভর্তি।
means one garden full of genda phool.
গেন্দা
Is it shosha phool? I don't. Genda phool. Not badsha genda phool. Shosha phool. I don't know what is shosha phool in English. I don't know.
oh god, me also I forgot.
See, even he forgot and he
It's
asked
like
me.
that oil. Not sunflower oil. Mustard.
Mustard flower.
Yeah, mustard.
Mustard flower, yes. I will ask him now. Okay. তোমার প্ল্যানিং কি ফিউচারের জন্য?
What is the plan for the future?
I'm asking such a easy thing and he's asking so much tough thing. How can I will know? Now, ask again.
Trishul.
What you are asking me?
Trishul.
Trishul?
You know?
This thing, na?
No, that. With 3-pointed thing.
Goddess Durga Ma Trishul. So, I don't know. I surrender. Hello guys! So meet my cute aunt.
Hello guys.
Even she will talk with me in English. She doesn't look like aunt, right? She's so much young. You won't believe she have a son also, but she looks so young. And hot too.
Thank you.
And hot too.
What?
Yes, she is. Look at her. She looks so pretty.
Thank you so much.
Even she will talk with me in English. Okay?
Okay. I try my best.
Good English. Okay. Do you prefer love marriage or arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage.
Why?
Because nobody blaming.
Good one. Okay. Very nice. What type of girl I am? Good or bad?
Very nice, very cute, cutie. And so sweet. And many adjectives join in name of her.
We are Bengali people, so you guys understand we are not from England. As that my brother said, we are not from England. We can't talk so much of English.
Also, I am trying.
She's from Bengali mediums, but still
Yes.
she's trying.
It's not my fault. It's my medium fault. I don't talk in English. Yes, I'm Bengali medium, purely Bengali, and graduate in also Bengali. So my English, matlab,
Little problem. So what? It's
Weak.
okay. You should appreciate her. I'm appreciating her.
thank you.
Welcome. So guys, as I promised, meet my mother.
Hi.
Even her English is very nice. We will talk in
I
English.
don't know English.
See, she is in English. She don't know English. Okay, Mom, I will ask you some questions. Do you prefer arranged marriage or love marriage?
I prefer arrange.
Why?
It turned into love after marriage.
What type of girl I am?
You don't think?
I'm such a good girl. Don't believe her.
Very dirty girl.
Do you want to say anything about me?
I don't understand what I am saying.
You don't understand. But appreciate her. Even she is from Bengali medium and still she's talking in English.
I don't believe.
Don't you think my mom is even pretty more than me? She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. And even auntie. Auntie's son, you want to see, guys? Wait. Come. He is the one. You met her only. You guys met him once. What happened?
Ask me some question.
You want to sit?
No.
You
I
want
don't
to
want
say?
to sit.
Why you're wearing shawl?
So cold here. It's 9 degrees temperature.
But I'm not feeling cold, guys. I'm hot. I'm a hot girl.
No, you are stylish girl. You are not hot.
Such a big insult. Insult, na?
No.
It's not insult. Guys, how my lipstick is looking, how I am looking with this color. Guys, how I'm looking with this color? I think I'm not looking that much good. Nude color suits me more than dark color. Please comment below that this color is suiting me or not. Suiting me. What kind of English? Please comment below, guys, how I'm looking, how my lipstick is looking. Is it, does it suit me or not? Please comment below, guys. Just now my father came from office and my mom, she is making something for my father. What are you making, mom? Maggie. Will it be yummy or not? First say that. It will be. Okay. So guys, this is the Maggie cooked by my mom. Let's have it. I will taste it. What's wrong with my English, guys? My English was not that much bad. Nowadays, it's becoming worst. Worst. In fact, very worst. I have to improve it. Sorry for the light, guys. Light is not good. It's blinking. Yummy. My mom's hand. No. My mom cook really very well. I'm really sorry, guys. This light is like disturbing like anything. I'm very sorry, guys. So guys, meet my dad.
Hello.
Even my dad will talk with me in English. Will you talk?
Yes, I will talk.
Okay, I will ask you some questions.
Yes, tell me.
Are you ready to give the answers?
Yes, I will give you answer all.
He's very handsome, okay, my dad.
Yes, I am also handsome.
So, what do you think? Your daughter is a good daughter or a bad daughter?
I think good daughter.
Thank you. Does she look beautiful?
Yes, I know. Very well. Very nice.
Acha. Do you want to give your daughter marriage or not? No.
No.
She will stay with you every time.
Yes.
No marriage.
No marriage.
Cancel.
Cancel.
She wants to study.
Yes, I study.
You want to say something to
You will
everyone?
get job, then you will get married.
First job, then marriage.
Yes.
Job is very important.
Yes.
By the way, guys, I'm studying interior designing. As you guys don't know about it, but I'm an interior designer student. Plus, I'm doing this YouTube also. And my family is supporting with me in every field. So, just because of their support, I'm in this kind of thing. So, I'm blessed that I got this kind of family and this kind of parents. I'm happy. Say something.
Thank you.
He wants to go.
Yes,
Okay,
I am
guys.
so work now.
Oh, he have work. I'm sorry, he. Okay, then bye, guys. So, guys, that's it with the video. I hope you all like this video and enjoyed it. It was just for fun, and I'm a Bengali girl. Still, I talk 24 hours this language. It was not easy for me. So, like, I know English, but 24 hours talking in English, it's really not easy. Only for you guys I have done. So please like it, and like doesn't cost any money. Please like, give more likes, give more love to me, so that I can give more videos to more funny videos. And please subscribe my channel, and down there is a little button, please press it so that you can get more notified from my channel. And if you like me, then you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will give the link in description box. And I'm literally I'm tired now, guys. I'm like feeling so sleepy, and I will meet you in next video of my. Till then, bye, take care, bye guys, bye. Really very tired. Bye.